Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, thank you for tuning in to Jersey Nick Moto. I really got nothing planned today. I wasn't sure if I was going to ride this morning. I had a wedding last night. My buddy got married. I didn't know what time I was going to be home or how I was going to feel in the morning, so... But I woke up earlier than I expected, feeling good, so I figured, hey, I don't want to waste the day. Let me get out there for a little bit. Took it easy last night, only had a couple beers. Man, it's funny because I can think back. We used to be able to go pretty hard, man. I'd be able to come home 6 in the morning, get a few hours sleep, and then be alright. Today, it's like, I actually had yesterday afternoon, I was like, well, let me sit on the couch a little bit so I know I could stay awake for this wedding tonight. Man, being middle-aged sucks. But it was a good time. We had a lot of fun. I got to see a lot of people I haven't seen in a long time. That's always cool. You'll probably recognize the scenery. Come down here a lot because, you know, I didn't know if I was going to ride, so I didn't have anything planned. So I said, let me just head down here. Oh, and because of that wedding, I actually found another handy little use for YouTube yesterday. So, I mean, I don't get dressed up often. I mean, in fact, I avoid it at all costs. So, last time I wore a suit and tie is probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 years ago. So, I'm getting dressed yesterday, and I go to tie, and I totally forgot how to do it. No idea at all. So, I went on YouTube and looked up how to tie a tie. And I'm standing in my kitchen like an idiot with my cell phone, following the guy on the video, learning how to tie a tie again. It took a while, it took a couple tries. I was ready to take the tie and cut it in half. But I got it after a while. Also, about a month ago, when I knew the wedding was getting closer, I tried my suit on. I was like, oh, please let this thing fit. I don't want to spend a couple $100 for 4 hours. But I got lucky, it fit. Got a lot of horses out today. Oh, there they go. Bike scared them. There's been a lot of forest fires down in this area over the last couple of weeks. I'm not sure where though. You can still smell it in the air a little bit. We're down in the Pine Barrens area of New Jersey, where the legend says that the Jersey Devil lives in these woods. That's why the hockey team's called the Jersey Devils. I like giving you some useless New Jersey facts now and then. I'm starving. I think I'm going to hit up Wawa, get a little breakfast, put a little coffee in me. Then maybe we'll take a ride a little deeper in the pines, see if we can find where any of those forest fires, where they were. There's a big group of bikes out. That's probably a ride leaving from Ocean County Harley. That's just down the road a bit. That's where I bought a couple of my bikes. And I got a decent crew out this morning. I think they do a ride every Sunday morning. I never did one of them, but I think they go meet up and go for breakfast somewhere. Yeah, that's definitely Ocean County Harley. I recognize some of the bikes. Now I feel a little more normal. It woke me up a little bit. Now we can do some riding. And if you guys have a Wawa near you, I highly recommend their chocolate-filled croissant. That's what I stuffed my face with this morning. Breakfast of champions. I haven't been down this direction in a while down here. We're heading west on 72. If I would have went east, it would have took you eventually into Long Beach Island, Barnegat Lighthouse, stuff like that. I had to take a ride there one day. I haven't done that in a while either. Now we're going west on 72, just going deeper into the pines. I'll have to take you on a couple more beach rides before the season starts, before all the bennies come down. And if you don't live in New Jersey, you're saying, what the hell is he talking about? What the hell is a benny? Maybe I'll save that for another video. More useless New Jersey facts. Alright guys, I guess I'm going to cut this one here. I want to try and make this one a little shorter. I know I rambled on in the last couple videos. They ended up being kind of long. I wanted to try and get you a little closer look at the wildfires down here, but I guess they were a little deeper into the woods than I thought they were. I don't know. I guess you can't see them from the road that well. Maybe next time. Anyway, thank you as always for watching the videos. If you like this video, leave me a like, leave me a comment down below. If you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. I'll see all you guys in the next video. Keep your head on a swivel out there. Later.